Hello guys. So in this session we are going to learn how to install and configure Elasticsearch on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Okay, so first of all, to install Elasticsearch, we need to understand the prerequisites. So first of all, we need a Ubuntu server with Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Then we need a Java 8 or higher version. Then we need a 2 CPU or 4 GB RAM. Okay, so as you can see here, I successfully launched my instance with the name Elasticsearch. And as you can see here, the instance type is T2.medium because there is 2 CPU and 2 GB. RAMs. So that's why as you can see prerequisite, and we need a Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So as you can see here, I successfully connect to my instance, and you can see welcome to Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Okay. So that's the prerequisite to we need to install the and configure Elasticsearch. Okay. So let's start to install and configure Elasticsearch on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So for that, first of all, we need to update our system package. So let's update our system package. So as you can see, it's done. Okay. Now the next step is we need to install the apt transport this HTTP package to access the repository over the HTTPS. Okay. So for that, let's install using following command. Okay, it's done. Let's clear the screen first. Then after that, we need to install Java on Ubuntu. Okay. So here I'm going to install OpenJDK 11. So let's install. So how to install? So the command is sudo apt install OpenJDK 11 JDK. So we need a Java higher of 8 version or a higher version. Okay. But we need to install Java 8 version, not below 8 version. Okay. 8 or higher version. So here I'm going to install Java 11, OpenJDK 11. Okay. So it takes few seconds to install. So wait for a few seconds. It's almost done. Okay. As you can see, it's done. So let's clear the screen. So if you want to check the Java version or if you want to check the details of your Java, so you can simply enter Java. As you can see, so OpenJDK 11, 11.0.23. Okay, so we have successfully installed Java. Okay. Now, after that, we need to setting the Java home environment variables. So to define the environment variable, we need to open this /etc environment file. And here, I'm going to remove this path and I'm going to set new path here for my Java. And the new path is here. We need to paste this Java home new path here. Okay, so let's save the file and exit. Okay, after exit, if you want to check the path of your Java, so you can simply enter the command echo $, Java underscore home in caps. Okay, so let's clear the screen first. Now, okay, now after that, it's done. So now, the next step is we are going to install Elasticsearch on Ubuntu. Okay, so how to install? So here is the command. So let's download and install the public signing key. So let's download this using curl command. Okay. Now here I'm going to install Elasticsearch only. Okay. Now after that, save the repository definition to the /etc through this particular location. So I'm going to install this in this particular location. Okay, it's also done. Then after that, we need to update our system package to install Elasticsearch. So let's update. Okay, it's up to date. Then after that, let's install Elasticsearch. That means it's time to install Elasticsearch. So how to install? So the command is sudo apt-get install Elasticsearch. So as you can see, it's installing Elasticsearch. on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So I guess it takes few seconds, okay, to install. As you can see, it's almost, yeah, it's done. Now let's clear the screen. And then now let's start our Elasticsearch. So now we are going to start our Elasticsearch using the following command: sudo systemctl start Elasticsearch. Then after that, we are going to enable our Elasticsearch. So let's enable Elasticsearch as system startup. So we need to enable this. Now, if you want to check the details of, if you want to check the status of your Elasticsearch, then you can run the command sudo systemctl status Elasticsearch. As you can see, it's active running. That means you have successfully installed Elasticsearch and it's a 14 seconds ago. Okay, so it's done. Then the next step is here. We need to configure our Elasticsearch. So how to configure? So let's make changes in below configuration file. So we need to open Elasticsearch configuration file and the location is /etc Elasticsearch, and in Elasticsearch folder there is a file that named elasticsearch.yaml, that means Elasticsearch configuration file. So here we need to make few changes. So first of all, go to the network, and here first of all here you need to uncomment this network host, and you need to replace this 0.0. Sorry, you need to replace this IP with 0.0.0.0. That means any IP address. Okay, so as you can see, 0.0.0.0. That means any IP can access. And in discover, here you need to uncomment this discovery seeds host. And I'm going to remove this host 1 and host 2. Okay, and let's save the file and exit. And as you know, after changes any configuration file, we need to restart the service. So that's why here I'm going to restart my Elasticsearch. Then after that, let's restart first. Okay, now let's check the status for once. Okay, it's active running. As you can see, it's 3 seconds ago because we have run this restart command. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now after that, the next is let's test Elasticsearch on this Ubuntu 24.04 LTS using this command, call command. And as you know, the Elasticsearch port number is 9200, right? So as you can see the details. Now, I want to access these details in my browser. So how to access? So first of all, you need to copy your instance IP, your server IP, and hit on browser. And then your Elasticsearch port number is 9200, and let's accessing browser. So as you can see here, the name, that's your instance IP, private IP. Then cluster name is Elasticsearch, cluster ID, version, build favor, then build type, hash, date, snapshot, version, and so on. Okay, so that's the Elasticsearch details, right? Then after that, okay, it's done. We have successfully installed Elasticsearch. Okay. Now, then after that, if you want to uninstall Elasticsearch on this, so how to uninstall? So first of all, I'm going to clear my screen. And first of all, I'm going to check the status. As you can see, it's active running. That means we have Elasticsearch in this Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Now, I'm going to uninstall. Okay. So how to uninstall? So here I'm going to mention the steps. So first of all, I'm going to run this command sudo apt-get, then auto remove Elasticsearch to uninstall my Elasticsearch. So yes, I want to uninstall. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to run next command to remove Elasticsearch. Okay. And the third command is remove this folder in this /etc Elasticsearch. Okay. Okay. Now let's check the status. As you can see, unit Elasticsearch could not be found. That means we have successfully uninstalled Elasticsearch. If I go to this page and refresh the page now, as you can see, there is a service site can't be reached because we have successfully uninstalled Elasticsearch. Okay, so that's the Elasticsearch. So in this session, we have learned how to install and configure Elasticsearch on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So thank you for watching and I hope you understand.